This video will define F.A.R, or the floor area ratio, and describe how anyone can calculate the amount of buildable area for any lot. Let's begin with F.A.R, or floor area ratio. This is simply a number or a factor. For example, if we have a lot that is 50 by 100 feet, then it has an area of 50 times 100, which equals 5,000 square feet. If the F.A.R equals 1, then the maximum building area is the F.A.R, or 1, times 5,000 square feet, which equals 5,000 square feet of buildable area. That is simply telling us how much we can build. It doesn't tell us what the actual building footprint is yet. That's where maximum lot coverage and setbacks come into play. In the first example, we'll continue with this idea of having an F.A.R of 1, but for a maximum lot coverage, we'll say coverage. Here, that'll equal 50%. This means that only 50% of our site, about that much, can be covered, regardless of that building area that we calculated with the F.A.R. So even though we have an F.A.R of 1 times the 5,000, which gave us 5,000 square foot maximum buildable area, can only cover half the site, or 50%. So 50%, or 0.5, multiplied by the total lot area of 5,000 square feet equals 2,500 square feet, which is our actual building footprint. This is our building footprint. So our building footprint here is 2,500, and that means if we take 5,000 divided by 2,500 equals 2 stories. Our building will be 2 stories. Okay, so this is a 2-story building. In our next example, let's stick to the 50 by 100 foot site. And this time, let's say we have an F.A.R of 3. And our coverage is 25%. That means that only 25% of this site, so if half is there, then half of that is about here. Again, we're just drawing these not to scale, but just so you have an idea of what that looks like. So if our site is that large, then we can only cover 25% of it. But interestingly enough, we have an F.A.R of 3, which means we can build up to 3 times the size of our lot. 50 multiplied by 100 is 5,000 square feet. So 3 times 5,000 square feet equals a maximum buildable area, or maximum building area, of 15,000 square feet. That's a lot of building area here compared to the amount that we're covering as a building footprint. So if we want to achieve that maximum 15,000 square feet, all we have to do is take 15,000 square feet divided by 25% of 5,000 is, we can do that math right here, so 0.25 times 5,000 equals 1,250 square feet. So that is actually our building footprint. And so if we want to maximize our building area of 15,000, we would do 15,000 divided by 1,250 square feet, and that equals 12 stories. We would have to make our building 12 levels, or 12 stories tall, in order to maximize our buildable area with a building footprint of just 25% here on this lot. Hopefully now you're able to understand that FAR and lot coverage work together. And when you're given these numbers, you can start to figure out how you're going to plan the configuration of your building based on these two variables working together. And in a future video, we'll discuss how building height will also come into play here, especially when it comes to your occupancy, your construction type, and other factors. But if we had unlimited height and unlimited stories, then in this case, FAR and coverage is all we need to figure out how to maximize our building footprint as well as our building area. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.